just about. I haven't actually been able to look in it, but whatever I've seen of it, yeah, it is very summer friendly. It's very comfortable. I'm in fact wearing a really comfortable pair of shoes from the collection. I'm really enjoying wearing them. I'm not a huge fan of heels, but this particular pair is extraordinarily comfortable. So I'm really happy wearing them, and I'm happy I've discovered this collection, and I'm happy to be here today.
So, okay, let's not waste more time and let's just unveil our new collection first.
स्टिल बैठ के अरे 2 बार कैसे हो गया एक्सक्यूज मी ओ यार हेलो एक मिनट अच्छी
Please tell us how important is it to get that completely sheet?
I think, as is evident, you can't step out of your home unless you have a great pair of shoes on. And obviously your shoes complement what you're wearing, and they have to be appropriate to the style and the kind of outfit that you pick. And shoes actually really complete an outfit. And also very often they say that it's the shoes that say a lot about your real style statement. So I think shoes are really important to complete your style statement.
So, what would be your ideal date pair? What would be your ideal date pair?
I think honestly depends on what I choose to wear, but because I like to dress more sort of effortlessly and more casually, I would pick a pair of really delicate flats.
So, safe to say that you're more of a flats person than heels.
Absolutely.
Okay. So this season is all about florals, colors, and a lot to play with in fashion. Tell us about your perfect summer look.
I think what you said. I love floral stuff. I love soft, pretty colors. I love flowers. I love wreaths. I love floral prints, and I love fabrics that breathe. And I actually also like shoes that sometimes have a print, floral print. Again, pretty summer colors. I see some really pretty colors over there, like pale pinks, nudes. I think those are like timeless colors and they look really pretty. And in summer, they really complement the kind of colors and fabrics that you would choose.
So any tips to all the girls, all the women over here about style and about pairing their shoes with them and all? And the clothes they wear, the shoes they wear for summer?
I think, when it comes to style, like you can buy fashion, but you can't buy style. Style is very inherent. And I think to be stylish, if you're a little more relaxed about it and a little more effortless about it and you actually let yourself be, you will automatically be stylish. And I personally feel that real style comes out when you shine through your clothes, because your clothes don't make you stylish, you make your clothes stylish. So it's much better when, even if you pick up something from the flea market, you put it together with a great pair of shoes, or whatever it is that you feel like wearing, which is weather appropriate, occasion appropriate, and you have fun wearing it, you are going to be stylish. And I think most importantly, the most stylish thing is you yourself and your personality and a really happy and confident smile, and that's what matters the most.
Thank you so much. I'm sure all of